Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your My Smart Band. First, make sure your band has at least 20% battery life. Next, download the My Fitness app from your App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone or tablet. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful pairing process, ensuring your band is ready to sync with your device. Now, let's move on to the pairing process. Open the My Fitness application on your phone. If you haven't already, log in or create a new account. Once inside the app, look for the Add Device or a plus icon, usually located on the home screen or in the Profile section. Tap this, and then select My Smart Band 8 from the list of devices that appear. This action initiates the connection. After selecting your band in the app, a pairing request will appear on your My Smart Band screen. Tap to confirm this request directly on the band. Simultaneously, your phone will prompt you to grant various permissions to the My Fitness app. It's important to allow these, especially location services, for features like activity tracking and weather updates to function correctly. This ensures full functionality and data synchronization. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. A common solution is to restart both your smartphone and your My Smart Band. Also, ensure your phone's operating system is updated to the latest version for optimal compatibility. During pairing, keep your band and phone within a close range, ideally less than 1 meter, to maintain a strong Bluetooth signal. These simple steps often resolve most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.